Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from section 2, group 2, will present the circuit simulation. Firstly, there is this function generator which acts as a clock, which is connected to the three flip-flops, the flip-flop A, flip-flop B, and flip-flop C on the clock. Firstly, for the flip-flop A, it is the JK flip-flop, the J1 will be connected to XNOR gate, connected to QC and QB. But for the K JK flip-flop, it is connected with a XOR gate with QC and QB. For the JK flip-flop at B, the J1 is connected to QA and QC bar. For the KB, it is connected to QA and QC. Both of them uses the AND gate. Next, for the flip-flop C, the JK flip-flop, for the J1, it is connected to QA bar and QB. And for the K1, it is connected to QA bar and QB bar. Also uses the AND gate. For our group, the starting bit is 101. So the output will be shown by the LED probe over here, the X1, X3, and X4. When the LED probe light up, it represents 1, and when the LED probe goes off, it is represent 0. For my group, the starting bit is 101. So according to the grayscale, we will start off to 101, next to 100, to 000, to 001, to 011, to 010, to 110, and lastly to 111, and then it goes back to 101. So when we run the circuit, it will go according to what I've talked about from the grayscale. So that is all from me. Thank you.